Hey guys, it's Matt. It is February 21st. It's a Wednesday in 2024. This should be a quick one, guys, because I didn't do a damn thing today. Um, let's put this back on the daily chart. We'll just go over the quick hits here. You can see SPY kind of had it opened down a little bit and then bounced and drove higher. If we go back to the 5 minute chart, you can see at the end of the day here. Um, it kind of chopped around all day and then dipped down and then drove up. And closed near high of days there. Uh, which is fine. Oh, I keep typing that when I have the watch list. Q's same, IWM same, MDY same, right? Who knows where we go from here? Let's not speculate, right? We're still very close to all-time highs here. So overall still looking bullish, but recently some chop, right? So until we see something start to break out, there's been some earnings reports recently that have been mixed. Some big ones took a hit, right? PNW, I think, right? Brutal, brutal after earnings report. And then today, uh, Nvidia, right, which is a leader and it is up after hours after earnings. So that's a good sign, right? But who knows where we go from here? Do we start getting back into this kind of a thing? This nice little trend here that we had going, or do we keep chopping for a while? Chop can last a while. I mean, just look back to the left here. I mean, we chopped all through. Man, what is that? July, August into September. This is even maybe really a downtrend, right, for a little while. And then, who knows? We don't know where we're going from here. Is the key takeaway? I'll be honest. As soon as I saw what was going on this morning, um, I pretty much turned my attention to other things, um, and just started doing some continuing ed with trading. Watching some interviews and stuff like that was more fruitful than sitting and just thumbing through charts that weren't going to tell me anything. So here's the dollar for the day. Here's the 10-year yield, which was up today. Um, so that's interesting. Just realized I had oh, nah, never mind. So I mean, right? We could go through watch list stuff and see things that I was keeping an eye on. Let's see what my actual watch list was this morning. You had Amazon, which yeah, if things were trending and we were roaring away, and this is what Amazon looked like, I'd be champing at the bit to try to jump in on a breakout here, right? But today wasn't the day. Right? I just even though I love this look, right? We've got some a little flag here, I guess you could call it. Well, it's not really flagging because there's no pole, right? But we're pulling back, and if we get something that breaks out again, if we're looking at the rest of the market is doing cool things, then that's an actionable item. This could have been actionable had it broken out to the upside. It did not. It had a red day. Um, EW, same thing, kind of that sideways. It's almost a pennant, depending how you draw it, right? Marvell had been strong, but is kind of back below this pivot here. So do I even really love it? Not really, but and then I was keeping an eye on PanW just to see what it did today. But uh, yeah. So anyway, we're in no man's land right now, as far as I'm concerned. Maybe some small cap stuff, because as we saw, I mean, if you look at IWM had a good bounce day. Even mid caps had a strong day. But yeah, maybe some of the small cap names could still break out right now, but the overall sentiment is mixed, and so that's okay. We'll sit on our hands, keep our powder dry, and wait for the good opportunities to come back. And that may be tomorrow, it may be next week, it may be April. Who knows? So just sit tight. Thanks, guys.